Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing lures. First, understand that snags and line breaks are the primary culprits. Always assess your fishing environment for potential hazards like submerged logs or rocky bottoms. Being aware of these risks before you cast is your first line of defense. Proactive planning and careful observation can significantly reduce the chances of losing your valuable fishing gear, saving you both money and frustration on the water. To minimize lure loss, consider upgrading your fishing line. Braided lines with a 20 to 30 pound test strength offer superior abrasion resistance and breaking strength compared to monofilament. Also, opt for weedless hook designs or lures specifically made to navigate through heavy cover. When retrieving, keep your rod tip elevated to help your lure ride over obstacles, reducing the likelihood of getting snagged on the bottom. Accurate casting is crucial. Aim to avoid visible or known underwater structures. If you do get snagged, try the bow and arrow technique by pulling your line taut and plucking it like a bowstring to dislodge the lure. Investing in a good lure retriever tool can be incredibly effective, often saving up to 90% of your snagged lures, making it a worthwhile investment for any angler. Before you even cast, take a few moments to study the water. Look for signs of submerged structures, rocks, or dense vegetation that could grab your lure. Adjust your lure choice and retrieve speed based on the water's depth and the bottom's composition. Practicing responsible angling means not only protecting your gear, but also minimizing your environmental impact, ensuring a better fishing experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.